What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to export private key on BullX Neo and import it to Phantom Wallet. So doing so is pretty easy. So what you need to do is you want to go to bullx.io here, log in into your account, and you want to go to the left side and access the wallet manager icon here. Now from here, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and basically create a new wallet. But if you already have a private key or you've downloaded the private keys that you recently created here on your wallet manager, well in this case you could still use that. But in our case here, I want to demonstrate this. Let's go and click on wallet. And from here on, this will create a new wallet for us. So what you can do here is you want to go ahead and import their private key or get your private keys here. As you can see, you should see the private keys. So you could go ahead and click on it. And from here on, you could go ahead and start copying your private keys. So remember, do not share this to anyone. But let's go ahead and copy this. Now from here, it's just going to ask you if you already save your private keys here, because you won't get the chance again later on. But if you're sure, just click on I have saved them. Now, once you've saved your private keys here, what we need to do is we need to open up Phantom Wallet. And from here, we want to go and enter our password. So let's go and do that and click on unlock. Now, what we need to do is we want to go to the top left of your screen here, which in this case is going to be your account. Go ahead and click on it. And you want to go ahead and click on the add or connect wallet option here, or the plus button you see. Now, from here, what we need to do is we need to choose the option here that says import private key. And from here, you want to go ahead and add a name. So let's go ahead and add a name. So for example, we want to name this as BullX account. And you could go ahead and just enter a private key here and click on import. So let's go ahead and do that here. So also just to give you some idea here, I have a bunch of text here. This is not my actual private key. This is just sample text I created here. So if you get an error here that says incorrect format, what you need to do is you want to make sure that you're copying the correct sections here. So typically speaking, what I'm going to say to you is you want to make sure that you only copy this section here that does not have that colon on it. So you have, as you can see, there's like 3 columns on it. So you want to go past that and just copy the keys or string of key letters and numbers that you see here. Copy that and just use that for importing it into your Phantom Wallet. So let's go ahead and just do that here. So here's our account. As you can see, it's now accepted. Let's go ahead and click on import, and that should add that into our account. As you can see, we have our BullX account here, which in this case we could go ahead and just start using it. But yeah, so that's how you start exporting your private keys on BullX into your or in this case, and importing it into Phantom Wallet. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.